Hey guys, we're here in Pickerington today on day 2 of this front of house project. Got our footer dug on Friday and poured this morning for a seating wall that's going in here. Had a front stoop set of steps that we had to tear out. Got a birthday cake set up that's going to come down onto our pad. Got it formed up. We'll get the pad formed up a little later today and get the wall built. Preston's floating down some of the color hardener we threw. Getting line up for our wall, making sure it's square with the house.
Like it?
Yeah, it looks good. Now we check, make sure we're square off the eye.
See that I'm getting strong. I can feel it.
About as dead nuts as I can get by eye. We're staging the block.
12.
Waiting for this thing to tighten up. Jitterbug the concrete, push the rocks up the surface down so that when we stamp, you don't get a bunch of surface cracking. Helps bring the cream to the top, makes the surface more workable, and you get a nicer stamp.
Where I walk up on the video like, yeah, I'll tell you what, son of a bitch, bastard.
Pretty much.
God damn it.
You do that pretty good.
I know, I'm known for it. Fucking dumb hill for it. That's what they want to see though, Chris. That's what they want to see. Chunky. Matt, you physically, man, not mentally.
Fucking boss sitting on the bucket.
86.
Hey guys, it's Chris with Visualize Production, getting final seal done in our Pickerington front of house project. Large random stone with medium gray and dark gray highlights, with a nice little seating wall here, the poured cap, little hand carved wall. Still gotta hit that again with another coat. Little radius wall. Colors came out great. Radius looks pretty fire. Real happy with how the colors came out on this one.